Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on the application of Clover. You will go to settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Clover and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.